Hi and welcome to my channel. Everything's a mess. I'm basically just rushing around. I've just prepped some of my food, put it in the slow cooker, and it's just like, well, these boxes have come, so I've got to do an unboxing. So this will be my last cohorted unboxing. Not that it's a bad box, it's just for me and more makeup, and it's more like skincare. So I'd rather have makeup than skincare stuff, because if I want skincare stuff, I'll just buy that stuff. So yeah, this is going to be my last cohorted unboxing. I'm not saying I'll never go back to it. I mean, you never know. But like I said, it's not a bad box. It's £35 a month. You get lots of amazing products in it. There's only been odd time I've been a bit disappointed, but that's just because of my preference to what I want in a box. So yeah, so get this out, and then we have also the new box I'll be unboxing, what I want to try. Oh, the box is different. I've just cancelled and the box is different. Typical. I'm not going to talk about what that one's called or anything, because I'm going to do another video. So the box is actually different. Usually it has like a flap lid. I was actually shocked that I got this, because I did cancel it and then I still got sent this, so oh, I can't even get it out. Right then, so this is a cohorted box for the month of June. I had to look at the thing. So there's the book, and do you know what? I'm actually shocked. I've actually cancelled it, and this is pretty packed full of stuff. But like I said, it's nothing. You know, the products are amazing. You always get your money's worth. Always get your money's worth. But for me, it's just, I'm more about makeup. So, like, I'm not necessarily telling I'm not going to have it ever again. But for now, I've cancelled it. So anyway, loads of stuff in here. A lot of it is Monu Skin. So maybe this is like a special box to them. I'm not sure. The first item we see is quite a heavy box. It's really packed. Do not fall. Do not fall. Stop looking at my washing pan in the background. I know I need to get that shit sorted. So anyway, the first thing is a gentle cleanser by Monu Skin. Lotion. Douche. Ooh, it's a nice bottle. So yeah, this is the bottle for that. It says rose, geranium and aloe vera. Really nice bottle. Definitely use this. Don't squirt too much. I want to smell it. Ugh. Smells nice. I'll just put them in for now. But yeah, that's a cleanser for your face. Actually, what I'll do is I'll stick to the 3 items that are from that brand. So the second one is a gentle toner by Monu Skin. Also a big, massive bottle or whatever it is. Oh look, yeah. Dry or sensitive skin lotion technique. Apply to a dry cotton wool and wipe over the face and neck. So that's nice. And then the last thing from that brand, Monu Skin Moisture Rich Collagen Cream. Ooh. See, I drink collagen. I drink collagen because it's good for your skin and because it's good for your hair growth and your nails and all that, your muscles, everything. Collagen is amazing. People just don't know about it, but it's amazing. So I drink it. So this is the packaging for that one. All very nice packaging. Rich collagen cream, marine collagen and evening primrose oil for dry or hydrated skin. A rich, luxurious cream to relieve dryness and smooth fine lines, fine surface lines appear smooth and skin feels firmed and toned. Apply to every morning and evening after cleansing and toning. Apply to the face and neck using gentle upward motions. And it looks like that. I'm not going to start squirting that. Right, so the next thing I'm going to get is the last big box anyway. God, I can't believe how packed this box is. Botanical Alchemy Amlai Silver Rich Face Mist with anti-aging snow algae to boost skin repair and longevity. Ooh, a restorative face mist with powerful ingredients to support natural healing, Sleep fatigue skin will crave a nightly spritz of Amalay's unique silver rich spring water. Ooh. Oh, it's glass. Very nice. Oh, God, it smells beautiful as well. Do you know what? They had to do this, didn't they? You know, I've just cancelled it and now it's like, I'm looking at this box thinking, this box has got some amazing stuff in. Like I said, I might go back to it yet. We'll see. So anyway, we have a makeup item. Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquid Metallic Lipstick. Ooh. I have decided as well, with the makeup box that I've got, I will be doing 2 videos on that when that one comes, because I will do a video of unboxing it and I'm going to do a video of testing every product in it. I do like a makeup video. So we have that. I'm not going to try this on right now, but it's like a sponge applicator, and then I'm guessing you shake it and just squeeze it in. Like I might do a video on that as well. Like, you know, like these products, but that's really nice. A nice thing to have. This box is really amazing this time, this month. Oh, red cherry, what's this? Everyone's beautiful. Every woman is beautiful because she is uniquely yourself. Melting lip powder, long-lasting tint and enriched with vitamin E. CLE. The box, you can't really tell what it's saying because it's like imprinted on white, but anyway, this is what it looks like. So, CLE melting lip powder, long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. What is this? What the hell is this? I'm not sure how it goes on. Oh, that's weird. That is crazy. It's like a powder, but then it turns into like this matte effect. How is that even possible? That is crazy. It's a really nice colour, and I've got it in red cherry. I'm not sure if you get it in anything else, in any other colour. That's what I've got. Sorry, I'm a bit sniffly. So Born Lovely Eau de Parfum Rollerball. Ew. So a bit of perfume, a bit of skincare, a bit of makeup, a bit of perfume. Not bad. Ooh, by Jessica Parker. Oh, I've had the Lovely before. Is this a different one? I've got it on my mouth. I want to taste it, guys. That smells beautiful. Do you know what? That is a really nice size. Pull that in your handbag or your gym bag and just give it a quick roll when you smell. And last but not least is the La Masque Hydrovel Rehydrating Gel. It's too complicated for me to say it. I've been to the gym and I've not ate properly yet. But it comes in like a cute little packaging. You see that? You open it up and there's like a plastic lid. Oh, what the hell? It's like jelly. But the book will tell us more. So that's everything in the box. That is amazing, to be fair. It was an amazing box this month, guys. Actually, I'm shocked. The total for this box is £187. So, I mean, you're getting £187 worth of goods for £35 a month, which is amazing. I thought it'd be more than that, to be fair. I thought it'd been worth more, but obviously not. So, let's get to the book. So, the Amalay Beauty Sleep Facial Mist, the black bottle, the glass bottle, retails at £48.50. Wowzers. It's nice because you get to try brands that I've never heard of and stuff I've most probably not even tried, but you get to try all this stuff, so it's cool. Monu Skin, and the Monu Skin Gentle Toner is £22.50. The Monu Skin Gentle Cleanser is £22.50 also. And then the Moisture Rich Collagen is £29.50. I thought that would have been a bit more expensive, obviously, with it having collagen and stuff in it. So, yeah, that's cool. CLE is a Korean beauty technology. Oh, so there's 2 colours. You can get 2 colours in this. I'm not sure what the other colour is. You get either red cherry, which I got, or desert rose, which is like brownie red, I'd say. I got the red, which I like. An innovative lip product transforming pigment powder to liquid form in seconds. It's crazy. It is crazy, but cool. The liquid sets into a flawless matte long-wearing tint with both water and smudge resistant, utilising the last micro capsule technology to release tint and essence, providing colour and moisture. Use the doe foot applicator or your fingertips or makeup brush to blend on lips, cheeks and or eyelids. Yeah. Oh, there's a code if you want to get a free sample. Then the Illuma Mask Hydra Rehydrating Gel is £15. The perfect item for a flawless beige. Hydra Gel is a vegan friendly as well as paraben sulfate free. It's got vitamins, nourish and moisture and protect the skin. This gel will create a healthy looking balanced finish that will keep you looking radiant all day. Apply to cleanse skin using fingers or a brush. Allowed to set until dry before applying makeup. Too Faced, £19. So I'm guessing mixed shades. So you got different shades. So, you know, if you want to pop me a message down below and just say what shade you got. I got the, what did I get again? I got Metallic Frozen Hot Chocolate. I can't wait to try that actually, to see what that is actually like. But gently squeeze the lipstick tube, releasing a small amount of pigment onto the applicator. Glide the precision tip applicator onto your lips. Looks really nice. And then the SGP Beauty. Oh, it's like a smaller version of the bottle. That's so pretty, that bottle. That bottle is pretty and it smells beautiful. It really does. It smells gorgeous. £10. So yeah, amazing. Kind of gutted to be saying that, you know, this is the last box that I do of this. But obviously, you know, I'm getting a different box. So it's not like I'm going away and I need to crack on doing my makeup videos. It's just getting on a new diet and training and all that. I've just been so busy. But anyway, so I hope you liked this video. Like I said, this cohorted box is amazing. It's just, because it's more skincare, it's just, I had to weigh it up and, you know, I might go back to it yet, maybe not. It just depends how this box all pans out and if I like that more than that one. It's just a tester really, just to see. So anyway, if you like this video, guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Always like seeing your comments down below. I like hearing from you guys. It's nice that you comment. So yeah, if you liked it and all that, please come back and watch some more and I will see you next time.